brand new one. Well, so what do we got?
PVC on out. You done yet?
Dave, have Keith stand down coming there.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We'll figure this out, okay? Because I really think I can get this, even if we have a little educational moment, you know what I mean?
Okay, sure.
I'll break out my skill. I might have to break out the old acetylene torch, Dave. You ever use an MC tank? Do you even know what an MC tank is?
Is that real big? I've heard guys call it a B tank.
That's a B tank. The MC is a mini. That's the one that doesn't rip out. That's the one that doesn't rip out your shoulder.
Alright. No, never. I use the B tank. I've never used the MC.
Alright. I never use a B tank. They're too heavy. Alright. I'll see you in 15. I'm en route. I didn't mean to interrupt your lunch, but I got a couple minutes here. We're gonna do this, bro. See, when I worked in high rises, we did this all the time. Be back-to-back apartments, guy had a marble shower near the wall, can't touch it, or it was a pipe chase or whatever. In the hole, change the diverter. I got so much room here. I could do a diverter on both sides in my mind. So that's why we drilled this hole. We took out an 8-inch center faucet, shower only, 2-handle. Went with the Moen plate. It's gonna be the repair plate.
Yeah. He's in his favorite spot again, dude, Dunkin'. There's no way. He's getting 6 donuts, he's claiming. He's insane, this guy. Good morning, plumbers.
Did I get you? You thought I was picking out donuts, didn't you?
Yeah.
I told him I'm on a diet. Excellent, let's go. We're gonna do some soldering.
Old school.
Yep.
Think you're good enough?
It's been a minute. Let's hope I don't burn the house down. So what we could do is this. I got the other one, all female, correct?
Yes.
Dale? We could solder male adapter, pro press up top, solder, whatever. PEX adapters, drop down, pre-feed our PEX down the hole with this already plugged because it's a shower only. This way we don't compromise, no burning, no leaks in the wall, and we'll get done rather quickly. Okay? That's the plan. So what makes this possible is this, that this isn't teed off and going to a toilet. This isn't teed off and going to the shower that's back to back. So this is all possible because these are both fed from the floor. Okay? Plus we gotta get to McDonald's. We got a big thing going on there. So I like this. Let's get it done. We'll PEX it out.
So the valve.
We still got to solder in the thing. Let's get the other rough-in valve going. Bring that in. I got all the fittings for it. Already prefabbed. Navion. Only tool you need to fix a Navion heater right now.
That's very true.
Dale's certified Navion parts, repairs, installs. I wasn't a fan of this cutter, but it actually works really nice.
What is this one?
Hey Dale, or hey Angelo.
All right, boys. Let's go do it.
Back to PEX. You're so hyped on the PEX, Dale. Big PEX guy.
No, I'm not a big PEX guy. Just when situations
Here's the best part. You have
arise, ding, 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 ding.
Well, it's not as fun as you
That's because
thought.
this is the old boiler room. This looks really tight.
Looks big.
Big?
Yeah.
Oh, it opens right up, brother.
That's a deep dive, dude. Those cave divers on YouTube would be so stoked. You need to go right.
All day, bro.
All day, boys, all day.
You can go right over here.
Want me to go move them around just so you know for sure?
Look, here we go. Here we go.
Yes, sir. That's one. Here. Huh? Hold on. This one here. That's the cold.
We're good.
All right, you got it. 2 5-foot pieces of PEX. After you cut them, we're going to push them up and out the hole. I'll make the connections up here, and then we'll push it back down. This is why the pipe is egged, because they use soft copper here. See it? I think this is go for a scrap for the Christmas party. I got you. You're my daddy. You're my daddy. Don't break the tile. Oh, now it's gonna make me work the whole way out. All right.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, that's the one.
Yep.
So, open a prefab this with some PEX fittings. Hey, that'll work.
Yeah, just stuff a little piece of PEX down.
Yeah. I like that, man. You put this on the copper one out there. I don't know where it disappeared to. Spray this down in here. Just for that one joint so we don't start a fire. Safety first. Once upon a time, I was fireman. I don't like that. I like the adjustable settling. But we got it. Let that cool, we'll wipe it down.
Have you been there yet?
Mm-hmm. They're jackhammering up the floor this morning.
I just don't know what it is about the grease, man.
Shower is installed. Here we are. Come take a shower. Another satisfied customer, thanks to Dale.
Let's go, boys.
You want light, Marty? I'm through. Oh, you're through. Here we go. Watch your blade.
They know,
Let's get it.
They know he.
Let's get it, boys. Oh, brand new one. What do we got?
PVC on out. You done yet? Building, the whole kitchen, everything from kitchen sinks, runs down, shoots, floor drains, come through here, drop into the grease trap. Then there's a Y that goes in, and that's what we did before. The Y from the kitchen line, the sink line right here, and then this meets up after the grease trap outside. And then it goes through, but everything in the building runs through this line, besides the bathroom. At least they're closed for us today. No 10-piece nuggets. What on the back? Hash brown. Hash brown. Hash brown. Hold on that? We got it. Got it. All right. We're gonna get pictures of this. I'd like to take that. That's called melting the pipe away. That's literally crazy.
That's from the soda.
Yeah, soda and there's grease. We can go right outside with that.
Pump that up, we're never going to get the
Yeah, no.
So,
Oh, you know, let me break this.
Well, you already, it doesn't matter, dude.
No, this is
you want to keep pulling that?
I want to keep pulling it that
Well,
way.
if you get it in that hole, yeah.
Yeah, that's
key.
what I was hoping.
I
Can I
can't
have something to
get it.
lay on? I'm going to try to reach down here and just dig this out a little bit. This way, Marty.
We gotta cut. If I cut this back, I could come forward with it. I'm not gonna be able to.
All right.
So if we cut back on this piece a little more, I'll be able to pick this up, pull it forward, and then right out.
Good.
One cheeseburger.
It is National Cheeseburger Day.
Actually, I would eat a cheeseburger if they were serving them.
That's
Oh,
disgusting.
boy, that really does smell good, don't it?
Last year, I remember I went on like a 3-month McDonald's hiatus after doing this job.
Are we good on that piece there, Ange? Yeah, we're good.
I gotta get that
The other
here.
piece.
Yeah, but we're good. Don't fall in the tank.
Just MIA.
So,
How long is that? That's all grease.
here, get some.
That pry bar.
Put the pry bar in
Put
and
the
just
pry bar in there and just work it out.
work it side to
Twist it.
side and then
Yeah.
back and forth.
Like a wrench.
How deep's that tank? See how you just get your boots on, get right down in there?
No, Keith, you go ahead.
If I could fit, I would, man. I'll jump right in.
the shorts on.
And so take the pry bar, put it on the top, and work it out.
Dude, that thing's loose.
Here, I could reach it from right here, I think.
Probably even pop that thing out.
It's right there. This is just a hub of a T, dude.
Take it on the top. We used to
Don't let it
Just
drop
shoved
in.
in there.
Don't let it drop in.
He's got the hook on the bottom, see?
No, there you
There it is.
Oh! We're in there, dude.
All right.
We're perfect.
I don't know. Let's get a good measure. I want to use all this pipe. You want to come over here? I'm coming in now. Dale, I need your keys.
How you looking?
I don't see him. We got to get through here. I don't see you yet. Yeah, he's got 2 foot to go through. Hold that! Hold! All right, now we got to get this into that.
No, we're looking good.
Where's that tarp? Party.
Say
you go.
that so, Ange.
Perfect, dude.
You can take a little more your way, dude.
I got a rag. Left third shelf of my.
It's weird. It smells gross out here, but donut still tastes good.
I never saw one like that. That's evil. See that right there? Evil.
Oh, fake 100?
Yeah, that's it. He got it.
Donut, dude. My hand smells gross, but I'm still eating it.
Tight.
Well, he could. I think he could come in me a little.
Can that come up a little bit?
Yeah, I'm in the hole.
Glue that piece in there. I want to glue a couple out here. We'll recut this and put the clamp out here.
What were we? What's the situation after you?
Situation is he wants to use a loop.
So you can still prime it, but use this for the glue.
Push it.
I can't get nothing on it.
Yeah, hold on. Let go.
Lunch with the boys, huh?
Why you said you get the good pizzas when I'm in the fire?
Oh, okay.
That's a double decker.
Pretty good today. Oh, you're going double?
Well done. That's well done.
I don't like it. Well done.
You don't want to get out the 81?
Also go small.
Camera guy?
Yo, TikTok? This guy's famous, all right?
Danger. Real men working.
Step aside. I'm gonna ask him if I'm in the camera.
Okay.
Freedom! Like a fireman! Little mop up work, boys.